Hello guys, I am with the new vlog Ajax Fiery Argo 4000. It is of 2017 12th month model, and this company provides with two color variants of this vehicle, yellow and white. And the length of the machine, you can see the length of the machine is 2352 mm, and the ground clearance, I will show the ground clearance. And the ground clearance is of 365 mm, which is a huge and massive for this vehicle. The machine is of Kirloskar oil engine, and which is a direct engine, and which is a 4-cylinder vehicle. And the displacement of the vehicle is around 4160 cc. You can see the spare wheel there. It gives a maximum torque of 380 Nm at 1300 rpm. And here all these indicator lights. It's the spare wheel. And now come to the left side view. Yeah, you can see the vehicle. And the width of the machine is of 2352 mm. And it's called the silencer there. And let's talk about the tire. The tire is of, we have changed it now. It's of BKT 16.070-20 tire. It means the width is 16 inches and the rim diameter is of 20, and overall diameter of the tire is 44.4 inch. And let's talk about the drum. The drum can be rotated in the both direction of 22 rotations per minute. It means the drum can rotate right side or left side, but it rotates around 22 times in a minute. And the water tank, this is the water tank, and here we can fill from here. Water tank is run from both sides, and which is of 720 liter capacity. It holds water tank. And here bucket, and the bucket it fills around 610 liters. Means if you want to complete a load, it takes around 8 loads, means 8 shovels per load. And this water system can be operated from the driver's seat by the cabin. And when we talk about the fuel tank, and here it is a fuel tank. To open the fuel lid, to fill the fuel, we should make this drum up, and that cannot be done now because of a spare wheel there. And the fuel tank capacity is of 110 liters, and the total hydraulic oil, and I will show this. Yeah, I will open this bonnet and I will show how it and all. And here is, and this is a 2017 model. Because of vibration, and this all will be gone. And see this quality, but it comes with a good quality. And I have 4500. You can see the bonnet quality. Yeah, I will show here. You see, it's somewhat slight.
It means the design is good, but the quality is not
as much as this machine. Yeah, I have opened this bonnet, and you can see. And in this, hydraulic oil can fill up to 110 liters, which is a huge and massive for this vehicle. And I have said the hydraulic oil can be filled up to 110 liters. But when it comes to the matter of the hydraulic, it is a 3-level control valve gear pump. It has maximum machine can give pressure up to 180 bar pressure. And the Ajax Fiery 4000, which has a battery of 12 volt capacity, 150 Ah, and which includes an alternative 12V 55 amperes. The machine does not go like all the vehicles, but I will tell the speed and all about this when we get into the cabin. And now let's talk about these lights, headlights. And these are headlights and the indicator, both the places as usual for every vehicle. There is no side indicators for this vehicle. And there comes a working lamp. It's a working lamp. And here is a working lamp. And these are tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, and indicators, and other side also the same, but I will show you. And here is another working lamp and a mirror, and this is of the exterior of the vehicle. And there is no camera here, but in 4500 there they have given a camera, and now it has been a updated feature for every vehicle. And you can select AC vehicle or non-AC vehicle in this model. And this is the view of the engine. And for any rent purpose, you can call 80504 33929. You can call for this number. And now let's get into the vehicle. And let's open the door and get into the cabin now. The unlock. And here the door goes till here, and this side also it goes till here. This is of the cabin, you can see all over there. And here is a water pump. It has a maximum speed of 40 km per hour. It locks. Yeah, you see the foot pegs. The foot pegs are really hard. You can see the cabin. Yeah, let's go into, and I will explain what all are there in this. Let's go up. And now this is the dashboard. It's not a dashboard, it is called as driving turret in this types of vehicle, and in cars and in this type of it is called as a dashboard, but in this driving turret it is. And the steering, and I will explain what are there in this everything. But first let's start the machine, and we see the sound, etc. And here is the engine switch. One click, machine on, and again click, machine stops. And you see the vibration, and it has a very huge and massive vibration in this vehicle. You see, but it comes with heavy vibrations. And I will show the drum rotating. It turns up to 22 rotations per minute. It means it is a mixing in this side, and in this side it's unloading. It should not be done when the empty vehicle, but for this I have simply throwing. Yeah, let's off the engine and let's talk about the all. And you see it jumps here, and the vehicle now does not start. And now when it comes to this matter, driving turret, it is called as driving turret. Yeah. And it is a fuel gauge. It is a engine lube oil pressure gauge with an hour meter. These types of machines, Ajax Fiery, tractors and some JCB, and they do not have kilometers, they runs on the basis of the machine. And this machine has gone up to 3628.7 hours. And this is the engine water temperature gauge. Engine water temperature gauge, sorry. And it is the battery charge indication. And here is the low lubricant oil. Here is the low lubricant oil, and here is low lubricant oil indication for this, and which is it is the brake fail indication. This option is of brake fail indication, and this is parking brake fail indication. This lights on only when the fail option is done. This is for the brake fail, and this is for the parking brake fail, and the parking brake is here. And it is for hydraulic oil indication, hydraulic oil filter indication. This is the left turn indicator, and this is the preheating. This is the preheating, and it is of a right indication. This is parking brake engaged, and this is axle center coordination, and this is high speed indication rabbit. I will show this. this is gear 1 selector and this is gear 2 indicator. These two also. Gear 1, if you press on the gear 1, it shows now it is on the gear 2. And here is the speed, rabbit and tortoise mode, low and high speed. It may, if it is up, it is low speed, and if it is down, it is a high speed. Now let's go on this. It is a forward, neutral, reverse selector. This is gear 1, gear 2, and this is indicator here. And this is mixing and unloading. I have shown the drum rotation. And this is a parking brake. And now it is parking brake is engaged. If we take up, the parking brake is not applied. It is a push button parking brake. And the wiper, it makes loud noise. And working lamp, it out. And also it means a parking lights. It is a mobile charging, and the mobile charging is off here. Or it can be used as a cigarette lighter. And this is stop button. And this is and accelerator. And accelerator. And this is of the bucket, shovel bucket, up or down. And this is of the drum, up and down. This is of the water. And here is some of the most important feature in this vehicle. And this vehicle is consists of, and now it is in the front rear axle. And if we go here, it means only the front axle, and it is means crab steering. I will show how it works one by one. Now when it is here, the same angle, the same steering position angle on both the tires. When we take this position, two wheels will be rotating, both front wheels will be steering. And when we come into the crab steering, front wheels are steering, the rear wheels steer towards the opposite direction of the front wheels. And this is off. And I will show one by one how it works. And here is the power supply off switch, and here it is a jack. And now see how it works. Firstly, we are on the four wheels. I will show the video how it goes. And when we are in this, and from here to here, yeah. And now here comes over the fan, light, printer, and the concrete batch controller. We can take print from this, how much load is done there. And here we can select the here it shows the calibration according to the water, sand, and the concrete which is concrete which is done in this vehicle. And now it's how it goes work on only front tires. And you can see only first two tires, means only front tires will be. And now I will show how it works on the sideways. And it is a very important, and this feature is not available in all the vehicles. And you can see how it turns, and it moves only in one sideways. Yeah, it only moves in that way, which is very useful in the work. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, it works amazingly. And now
it doesn't even matter.
thank you for watching my video. Hello guys, please like, share and subscribe, and subscribe my channel also. Please like and share my video. Thank you. I will come with the next vlog, Argo 4500. It's not Argo, sorry, it's Acura 4500. And this is the Sai Supradeep Enterprises vehicle. and it is available for the rent. Thank you.